Yeah, Goldie doesn't sell that crazily, though, Jesse. If you want a box, let me know, man. I'll get you a good price on it. All right, Thomas Jefferson's going to do 2 boxes of Series 1. I got 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I was actually awake, too. Series 1 is... I was blowing them out on Black Friday for 70, Tony. So I'll do them for 70. 5 and 11. Thomas, do you want your 25th anniversary packs opened or shipped to you? I always open these. So. There's a lot of questions, Thomas. Okay. And do you want all your base or just the inserts and Young Guns? Which box is this? This was box 11. Yep. That's a terrible team, Tom. How you doing, Jesse? How was your holiday, man? Yeah. What up, Ozzy? What's going on, bud? It's mostly personal boxes tonight. We did some rookies and stars, which is actually pretty nice. It's actually been pretty nice. Doing some Series 1, just hanging out, really. Alright. Let's go exclusive. We got Subban, top 100. And Vince Dunn for the Blues. I don't know anything about Vince Dunn. How was you get immaculate done tonight, Oz? Nick Dowd, Bobby Clark, Zach Werenski portraits, Patrick Turd Berglund. Jeff Skinner. That's cool. I'll have to check out the posts. I know Irv did one. He pulled the freaking Montana nameplate for the Chiefs. Jamie Benn, Pietrangelo. And your jersey is going to be Galchenyuk. It was a funny joke, though, PK. It was a funny joke. No, I was listening to Hollywood Babylon last night while I was sorting and shipping. And one of the guys, they were talking to someone in the audience, and his last name was Burglar, so they called him Turd Burglar the whole time. It's pretty funny. All right, we got canvas of Taylor Hall, best goalie in hockey, Jonathan Quick. I don't understand Panini's fascination with Montana on the Chiefs, though. Is it just they got stuff super cheap? That's a Jake Allen base, a Paul Byron canvas. Where are all your young guns? We've got Sergei Bobrovsky. Ray Bork. Bork, bork, bork. And Jacob Forsbacka Carlson. Okay, 2 Stanley Cup rings. How many do the Wild have, Scott? How many do the Wild have? Mitch Marner. Where are all your young guns? Huberdeau. Mikael Granlund. Mark Recchi. Who's commenting on my stuff? I'm not even there to see. Mikko Koivu. Our favorite Hurricane, Sebastian Aho. Anze Kopitar. And Gabriel Carlson for the Columbus Blue Jackets. Oh, we got an auto. Nice. Surprise auto, Pavel Zacha for the New Jersey Devils. Dude, if Marino had that defense, Scott, he'd win like 7 championships. All right, we got Victor Medi. You should have like 5 young guns in this section. Johnny Brodzinski for the best team in hockey, your Los Angeles Kings. Mark Shaffelli. There's Jake McCabe. That's a Sabre, not a blue. Sorry. Charlie McAvoy. Isn't he doing well this year? It's a weird picture. Dvorak. Stasny. Jake DeBrusk. And Austin Matthews. UD Canvas. Tyler Seguin. Did you get 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, you got 5. And box 5. That was box 11. This is box 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh man. Six Young Guns per box. Good luck, man. We'll do the packs after. Got Marian Hossa. Ian Mikoshin. John Tavares. Van Riemsdyk. There's not a lot of Blues base cards in here. Eichel portraits. Sidney Crosby. Marc-Andre Fleury. Guy Lafleur. And John Gillies. John Gillies Young Gun for the Flames. Jerome Iginla. And your jersey, PC Lovin' Mojo. Colton. UD Game Used jersey. Colton Parayko. Parayko. Philip Forsberg. And for the Black Chickens, Blackhawks, John Hayden. Joe Hayden's a football player. John Hayden, Young Gun. Where are the good Young Guns? Sean Couturier. And Carter Rowney for the Penguins. Well, Thomas Jefferson is a Blues fan, so. Oh, nice. Clayton Keller. Clayton Keller canvas. There it is. Very nice. Is he still killing it? Clayton Keller. Canvas Young Gun. Connor McJesus. Last place Oilers. Jaden Schwartz. Malkin. Canvas of Austin Matthews. Alex Kerfoot. Yep. He's doing pretty well. Oven Chicken. I haven't got to say Oven Chicken in a while. And Kaylor Yamamoto. Patrick Turd Berglund. Canvas Pietrangelo for the Blues. The Blues box. And your red is Pacioretty. And you got a canvas off the back of Sergei Bobrovsky. Alright, so we got 2 overtime packs that you get. Two overtime packs. Brendan Gallagher, Stevie Yzerman, Seth Jones, blue not numbered, and Ice Cold Jonathan Quick. And Murphy, Zuccarello, Martin Jones, and Ice Cold Mitch Marner. Alright, we have, I don't even know how many we have of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 2 numbers 1 through 17, Thomas. And 11. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Actually, 4 numbers. I'm sorry. 4 numbers, Thomas. You get 2 per box. 1, 2, 3, 4, that was 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Good luck, man. I have no idea what these look like. You got a rookie, Rodney Dahl. Not numbered. Got Sam Perkins for North Carolina. Not numbered. Got Chris Kunitz. Not numbered. You have a numbered out of 250, Bob Hanna. I don't know who that is. Who is Bob Hanna? Motocross World by Storm in 1976. Hurricane Hanna. From Lancaster, California. Big Smooth, Sammy Perkins, and Temu. These are nice looking. These autos would be nice. We got Julie Chu. Is that the girl from Mighty Ducks? Julie the cat? Julie Chu. We got Julie Crone. Ha Clinton Dix. We got an autograph. Nice. 19 of 25. Sticker auto of Jorge Alfaro. Bonus auto mojo. Bonus auto mojo. Jorge Alfaro. Out of 25. And we got Bo Jackson. I got Iverson on the back. Bob Horner. Mark Sheffelli. Roberto Osuna. Haley Wickenheiser. And Allen Iverson. Shane Larkin. Archie Griffin. Eric Ebron. Marquise Lee out of 250. I wonder how big this set is. And Michelle Wee. Alright, I'll get all those out to you, bud. Get all those out to ya. You're welcome, Thomas. Thank you.